Quick video focusing on the condition of the squash court. The third light from the left is not functioning. Court lines are peeling off. Front wall has substantial paint peeling as well as damage. Walls are developing cracks which looks like it's on the surface, not very deep. It's a non-standard tin with a wooden slope instead of steel. It's clearly disintegrated. The paints on these walls catching these marks, and the paint is not washable. These marks are not going off. Condition of the floor again not being cleaned, and no enforcement of non-marking shoes. Glass door that never locks. You can see the lock doesn't slot into place even after pushing the door in. Glass that's never cleaned. Walls along the edges which makes the court is completely broken. And that was court 1. Tomorrow episode 2 we'll do court number 2.